Love. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make my vegan breakfast. I'm going to be using grapeseed oil, pepper. This is salt-free garlic and herb seasoning, garlic powder, and crushed red pepper. I know I like my food spicy. We're going to be eating some plant-based sausages. I opened them up yesterday, so I put them in a Ziploc to keep them fresh. And I also discovered these Habanero lime flour tortillas yesterday at Trader Joe's, and I was like, yes. And you always want to make sure that it says that it does not contain milk or cheese. So that's the cheat sheet for being a vegan. So gonna try these. And yeah, I also picked up some fresh fruits and vegetables the other day, which I'll be showing you this week. I always keep around some organic bananas and some limes, lemons. Look how big this lime is I picked up yesterday. It was in a bag like this, and the guy was like, that thing is huge. This is what a normal lime looks like, and this is like massive. But let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to be sauteing some of my veggies that I usually put in a canister just about every week. Fresh green peppers, red peppers, onions, jalapeños, some garlic, and some tomatoes. So I usually dice up all of my veggies like one day out of the week, and I'm gonna just cook everything down and show you how to make a vegan breakfast burrito. Went ahead and sliced up one of the vegan sausages. They do come in like a plastic casing like this, and you'll remove the plastic, slice them up. They look so much like meat, so don't worry, you'll still get your meat, and this is not meat, trust. It's a great source of protein. So I'm gonna put this into some grapeseed oil and get it to cooking. I cook my veggies and my sausage. I'm going to be cooking this just egg. It's made from plants, and y'all, this stuff, it literally looks like egg. So I'm going to be cooking this and then putting my whole burrito together. So my eggs are done. Look at that. Doesn't that look like real eggs? All made from plants. I don't eat too much of this because I don't really try to consume processed vegan food. But this is a great alternative when you're beginning your vegan journey, or even in between. You know, I just don't eat it often, but it is so good and tastes amazing. So give just egg a try, most definitely. I'm going to be taking some fresh spinach, and I'm going to saute it down into the eggs, and then I'm going to build my burrito by putting the sausage, the sauteed veggies, and everything into the wrap. Letting all this cook down. I know you can barely see the egg, but I do put a lot of spinach in there. It's a great source of a lot of things, a lot of nutrients, a lot of protein and calcium, all type of stuff. So I'm just going to cover this and then put everything together after it's cooked down. Alright, so this is what everything looks like all cooked down together. I reheated up my sausage and my sauteed veggies. You can put some hot sauce on here, taco sauce, whatever you want. I'm a saucer, so I will definitely be putting some sort of a sauce on here, but look how good that looks. absolutely delicious. You're just gonna wrap it up and eat it. So I went ahead and added some more greens to mine. I added some kale to the top of it just for extra nutrients and to get me super full. You can also add some taco sauce if you want to yours. Make sure again that it doesn't have any milk in it. This does have soy in it. Just as a vegan, that is my go-to. I'm like, all right, does it contain, you know, any milk or any cheese? And also check out the ingredients, you know, make sure that you're reading everything. And if you're a hot saucer, add you some hot sauce to that thing, okay? Again, check the back, make sure it's not containing anything that you don't want to consume as a vegan. No cheese and no milk. So I'm gonna add a little bit of the hot sauce to mine and give it a taste. Okay, I'm looking crazy but whatever. This is one of those videos where you get to see me how I am, all right? So my niece always says, you gotta try the food on camera. So that's what I'm gonna do. So it's already good, I tried it, but here we go. So good. Super good. Very flavorful. Sausage is banging. 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 Y'all gonna make this. I have all the details listed below. Sorry I'm getting my grub on, but this is the video. This is today's video. Let me know if you've ever tried vegan food. If you would, this is a great one. Give this a try.